तुम सभ्य लगते हो। You look civilized. You look civilized. वह मुश्किल से ही कभी मेरे घर आता है। He hardly comes my home. He hardly comes my home. किसने तुम्हें देखा था? Who had seen you? Who had seen you? तुम्हें चोट किसने पहुंचाई? Who hurt you? Who hurt you? वो किसके लिए इतनी दूर गया? For whom did he go this far? For whom did he go this far? ये कौन करता है? Who does it? Who does it? उसने किताब ले ली थी। He had taken the book. He had taken the book. मैं पेन से लिखूंगा। I will write with a pen. I will write with a pen. वो घूमने गया था। He had gone for a walk. He had gone for a walk. ये काम किसने किया? Who did this work? Who did this work? आँखें धोखा देती हैं। Eyes are deceptive. Eyes are deceptive. हम तुम्हारे साथ घूमने जाएंगे। We will go for a walk with you. We will go for a walk with you. राकेश नहीं समझता। राकेश doesn't understand. राकेश doesn't understand. डांट खाने के बाद वो दुखी हो गया। Having been scolded, he got sad. Having been scolded, he got sad. मेरी शादी को 5 साल हो गए हैं। It has been 5 years to my marriage. It has been 5 years to my marriage. Or you can say, I have been married for 5 years. I have been married for 5 years. हमें भेजा जा रहा है। We are being sent. We are being sent. रोहित को पीटा जा रहा था। रोहित was being beaten. रोहित was being beaten. वो मेरे होने वाले पति हैं। He is my to-be husband. He is my to-be husband. क्या आप सुबह से घूम रहे हैं? Have you been walking since morning? Have you been walking since morning? तुमने सीता को कब देखा? When did you see सीता? When did you see सीता? उसने मुझे अकेला छोड़ दिया है। He has left me alone. He has left me alone. तुम ऐसा क्यों सोचते हो? Why do you think so? Why do you think so? मैं आपके पास कब आया? When did I come to you? When did I come to you? क्या आपने खाना खाया? Did you eat the food? Did you eat the food? तुमने हाल ही में कौन सी फिल्म देखी है? Which movie have you recently seen? Which movie have you recently seen? मैं घूमने गया। I went for a walk. I went for a walk. वह 2 साल पहले कंपनी छोड़ चुका है। He has left the company 2 years ago. He has left the company 2 years ago. तुमने मेरा मूड खराब किया। You spoiled my mood. You spoiled my mood. वो तुम्हारे घर में खाना खा चुका है। He has eaten the food at your home. He has eaten the food at your home. उसने मुझे माफ़ किया। He forgave me. He forgave me. मैं अपनी गलती महसूस कर चुका हूँ। I have realized my mistake. I have realized my mistake. मैं कभी गाना नहीं गाता। I never sing a song. I never sing a song. मैं आपके पास कब आऊँगा? When will I come to you? When will I come to you? मेरा भाई किसी तरह घर पहुंचा। My brother somehow reached home. My brother somehow reached home. यह सुनने में अच्छा लगता है। It sounds good. It sounds good. तुम मुझे सुबह से क्यों ढूंढ रहे हो? Why have you been searching me since morning? Why have you been searching me since morning? मैं तुमसे कभी नहीं मिलूँगा। I will never meet you. I will never meet you. मैं आपका प्रस्ताव स्वीकार करता हूँ। I accept your proposal. I accept your proposal.